Yo, what's good everybody? This is Suhail back with Feel Good Threads. And first off, I just want to apologize. I am so sorry we haven't been on and putting up some new material, but we've got some new material coming up right away. We're actually in the process of editing. So I want to just leave you guys with this quick clip of a pair of Air Force Lows that I just finished up. This pair is for Cash XO. If you're not familiar with Cash XO, this guy is like the weekend's manager. So, I mean, when you're talking about ballin', this guy is right up there. I call them the pixelated Minecraft AF1s, but I'd love to hear what you guys have for a nickname for these guys. So with that said, let's bring them on.
Would you rather be on or would you rather be happy? Supposed to be a doctor or a lawyer, but I'm rapping. I feel happy when I feel that breeze, while the ash and the smoke burn through the palm trees. Please, California been a blaze for a few days. I've been in the days, I've been on the road, I've been on the plane. Put me in, coach, hopping in the game. Man, I'm the type of dude to kick a flow and get the dough to rise. Automatic flow, you should know this shit is motorized. In it to the depth, see the stress got me mortified. Caution in the wind, cause my kin living shorter lives. Money long, bow on the organ squad. Say she a snack, no happy meal, order fries, 45, send the soldier guys to the borderlines. People pursuing pure happiness, I know the vibes, yeah. I've been on my own, posted in the crib, getting in my zone.